Hey guys, what's up? And thank you for watching another one of my videos. My name is Stephanie. In today's look, we're going to do this nice halo eye. As perfect for any New Year's type of look. Merry Christmas. I know Christmas just passed. Today is the 26th. So we're jumping right into the video. As you can see, we already prepped and primed our eyelids. And now we're going into this Morphe 9C palette, if I'm not mistaken. And we're just going to start warming up our crease now. I hope Santa brought you guys everything that you ever imagined and that your Christmas was just exactly what you needed, because girl, it was exactly what I needed. I needed a break from work. So we're still warming up our crease right now, and we're going to start building the intensity just to make sure that it's going to be nice and blended, going from the two outer parts of our eye, from the tear ducts to the outer corner. And then there's like a nice transition between the burnt orange color and then that real dark purple brownish color that we're going to use. Okay, so now this is the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Vault Collection palette. This is the Ring the Alarm palette. And this is what we're going to use to actually build up the actual halo part of our eye. So you want to just really pack this into the outer corner and the tear ducts area, and we're just going to blend that together. Girl, yes, it's a bop. I don't even know what I was listening to, but apparently it was good. And we're just going to keep focusing really on the outer corners. You're just going to keep packing color in, and then once you pack the color in, you're going to blend it out. So it's going to technically look like we're going to really color our whole eyelid, but we're not. So this is the last color. This is the real deep dark brown color that we're going to use to make it pop against the gold in the middle of our eye. If it gets in the middle, that's okay, sis. We're going to use some concealer. Boom, right on time. Using the concealer, we're going to be using, this is the natural or neutral, I think it's natural, color from LA Girls. And we're just going to cut out and carve out the actual halo part of our eye. It's okay if it's not exactly how you want it, because we're going to go in with a brush right after this. You really just want to pack the actual concealer on so that way it's directly in the middle of your eye. And this is the part where it's totally preference. You can make the halo as big or as little as you want. I personally like, because I have big eyes, I personally like to have my halo just a little bit bigger. So now I'm going with a Morphe flat brush, and girl, it's a bop. Yes. Okay, so we're just gonna go in and just spread that out. Now I'm using a big blending brush, and we're just gonna blend out the creases of the concealer so that way there's no harsh lines. What I did first was when I was in the actual crease, it was just a plain brush, no product on it. Now what I'm doing is I'm adding that deep brown color that we used, the last color, and we're going to blend out the edges now, as you can see. So now this is a Stila liquid eyeshadow color. It is Shimmering Silver. I think that's how you pronounce it. Everything will be in the description box down below, girl. Just check that out, because I'm just botching these names. So what I did first was added that gold shimmer to the middle of my eye, and packing that all in. But then I realized it wasn't as dark as I wanted it to be, so I'm going back into the Morphe palette. I'm using that gold color to really bring out the intensity. And so I'm just packing that onto the lid. Just pack. And you're just going to keep packing it in, sis. Just keep packing it in. At this point, just because that gold shimmer has a little metallic finish to it, you can go ahead and wet your brush if you want to. The wetter the brush, the more intense the color will come out. So if you want to go ahead and wet the brush, you absolutely can do that at this point. What I did now was, just to add more intensity, I put on more of the glitter onto the actual gold. Boom, popped on the eyelashes. Boom, face done. Yes, blink of an eye. So now we're gonna go into our bottom waterline. I'm using the last two colors that we put on the outer V, that dark purple color and that brown, and we're gonna smoke out our bottom lash line. I still have my powder on underneath my eyes baking, so that way, since it is a darker color, if it does still happen to have fallout, we can just swipe away when we brush off the powder. Now put on your favorite mascara. This is the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. This is the only one that I really like on my bottom waterline. And then there's also this Makeup Forever one that I like too, but this is the one I found first. So you can use whatever mascara you want to at this point, but you just want to just bring out the intensity on the bottom lash line, and then also blend your lashes in with the falsies. A trick I like to use is using the actual tip on my bottom lash line to get all them hairs, girl. So now we're just going to buff away all of the excess powder, and we're going to blend that everywhere. Pack it in, rub it around, spin it around town, you know, all that good stuff. And we're just going to make sure that everything is set, prim and proper, and that we looking good, sis. We looking blessed out here. So now we're going to go ahead and spray our face. I am using the Makeup Revolution Sport finishing spray. It is kind of like a dupe to the All Nighter Urban Decay spray. We're just going to spray that face, honey, get it nice and moist. And now we're going to go ahead and highlight, and we're going to glow all the way up until 2019. Yes, honey, come on through. This is the Amrezy highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And we're just going to highlight and we're going to glow, sis. Because 2019 is coming up and it's our year, sis. It's our year. So now we're going to go ahead and line our lips and finish off this makeup look. I'm lining my lips with the color Burgundy from MAC Cosmetics. And we're just going to line out them juicy plump lips, sis. Come on through. And now we're going to go ahead and fill in our lines like we, you know, coloring our favorite princess back in kindergarten. This color is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It is Bittersweet. This is like split becoming my favorite color lately. And then the color that I'm using on the inside is from Kylie Cosmetics, and it is Basic. And we're just going to pat that all in. Pat, 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 pat. Pat, 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 pat. And we're going to fix our necklace. We're going to make sure we're cute. I'm ready. Here come the slow-mos. Girl, you cute. Yes, honey. Come on with the hair flip. Show them to them one time. Anyway, thank you guys so much for rocking with me. I hope you guys truly enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you guys think about this video. I'm going to try to get 2 more out before the new year is done. But I hope you guys enjoyed your Christmas. And I hope you got everything you wanted. I hope Santa came and delivered major. And if not, bye guys. Hopefully I'll see you before 2019. Peace.